Hello everyone, welcome back to Computer Networks application layer protocols. That means FTP, named as file transfer protocol. In the previous session, we have discussed about HTTP, and we are today we are going to see about another protocol such as FTP. Let us learn the topic using our design thinking approach. And today's agendas are empathize phase, define, ideate phase, testing, prototyping, and finally we can move to the real world scenario and also the challenges we have faced in the FTP. Then conclusion. Let's we move on to the first topic, that is empathize. Think about this situation. You want to send large files, multiple images, or project folders to server. Email has size limits. Already we know that chat applications also compress files. Copy paste is not possible over networks. So users face very difficult for transferring their files to the server or clients, and it may causes delay and confusions while transferring the whole files to the user. This is where FTP comes in. FTP is designed only for file transfer and it does that job efficiently. And the next phase, we already know that define phase. Here we can understand the need for FTP. Now let us define the problem. Without a proper protocol, client sends and server does follow common rules, file upload and download becomes unreliable. That means the accuracy is not comes in. So large data transfer fails frequently. So the need is clear here. Users require a standardized protocol for uploading, downloading, reading, or writing and managing files over a network. The solution is FTP protocol. The next phase of design thinking is ideate phase. Here we can know about how we are designing the FTP. How should FTP work? FTP is designed for two connections. First one is control connection and the next one is the data connection. Here the control connection is used for commands like login, upload and download files. Then the next one is data connection. We already know that here the data connection used to transfer the actual source file to the destination. This separation makes FTP is having very structured architecture and it is having well organized structure and efficient for only file transfer. The next phase of design thinking is prototyping. Now let us prototype the working of FTP. Here the step, this is the step by step process. Here in this picture, clients connects to FTP server. Control connection is first established before the file transfer. Then user sends commands like login, get or put. Then data connection opens. After data connection, the file is transferred. After receiving all the files from the clients, the server will ask for connection closed. The connection is closed now. So FTP clearly separates communication and data movement. The next phase is testing. Here we can understand how data travels in FTP. Now let us test the protocol. Suppose you download a file, then FTP client sends a request to the server. First the server is how to accept that request. File is transferred through data connection. Client receives the file successfully. After the successful receiving, the connection will get closed. This confirms that FTP enables reliable file transfer. The next phase of next we can see about the real world scenario and challenges we have faced in the use FTP. Let us look at your real world scenario first. FTP is used in website hosting, uploading server files, and academic project submissions. But it is having some challenges data and passwords in plain text. There is no encryption and also it causes the security risk, firewall and NET issues due to multiple connections because of this server. Versions like SFTP and FTPS are preferred today. Then next we will move on to the conclusion. To conclude that FTP is an application layer protocol, then it is designed especially for file transfer. It supports upload, download, and file managements like edit, read, or write. Through traditional FTP is insecure, it led to foundation for secure file transfer protocols. So whenever large files moves across networks, the FTP is very essential for transferring files. Then thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.